We're live. Hi, this is Poppy's Workshop. Special episode. Nana's birthday cake. Hey, Nana. Wave at the camera. Say hi.
Hi. Here's still mom's lightweight.
Nana's 64 now.
They're lying. She's 70. Shush up.
You hear the respect. You hear the respect we get out of the younger generation here.
None.
Oh, I'm wearing my formal shorts here, my tuxedo shorts.
Yeah.
It's hot here in California. Here in Lake County, California, it is hot.
And to top off his ensemble, he's wearing a matching red hairband.
Yes,
hair
yes,
rubber.
yes. My ponytail's pulled back with a red rubber band.
There, the cake's slipping. And now, Wayne, come on, let's go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you. You were supposed to sing Mom, so I had to.
You stupid. Damn, for Mom, every birthday is precious. She has been in remission from her breast cancer since 2000.
Yes, yes.
So living beyond
the second one, mind you.
So living past a diagnosis is very possible for anybody out there fighting.
November and December of 2000 were really stressful for me and her. 5 days a week to Ukiah for bombardment. I was waiting for her to turn green and beat me up.
Instead, I turned red with blisters after a while. That's radiation for you, slow cooking.
But she is in remission. No signs of cancer.
And grateful for every birthday I get.
Amen.
So all you out there that are fighting it, don't you give up. You just keep fighting.
Yeah. Yeah. And as for the male half of this family, go see a cardiologist. If you're over 50, fat, and smoke,
definitely
stop smoking, stop eating, and see a cardiologist.
Stop smoking.
Trust me.
Stop smoking unless you'd like to be part of the Zipper Club as you are.
Yeah, yeah.
Ice cream, my lady.
After having emergency 5-way bypass in 2005, losing a big hunk of my right lung during that operation because the blood would have ruptured in my sleep. Christmas morning, my wife would have reached over to shake me. I'd be cold, stiff, blood coming out my mouth. Merry Christmas.
Oh, yeah. That was a good way to look forward to.
So,
how's that, Mom?
a heart attack saved my life.
It does get hard in that for you.
Yeah. Do I have enough?
As you love.
Do I have enough? Yeah, I think I have enough reach on the POV cam.
When you get the ice cream out.
Well, remember, we stick the spoon in hot water for a couple of minutes.
Well, just because you're smart.
Oh, this Rocky Road's got real almonds.
Really?
No peanut.
Whoa, this may be good Rocky Road. Oh, yeah. Cake looks nice. That's your basic strawberry chocolate icing and cream cheese and red food coloring for the writing. And, of course, sprinkles. Yeah. We are all certain that Nicole is watching this. So, hi, Cole.
See you later.
Mom, turn around and say hi to Cole.
Hi, Nicole.
We'll be expecting your call later.
Yeah, yeah. Christy says that she expects you to call.
Because we all know you're going to wish Mom a happy birthday.
Well,
Call her and say, hey, forget what day it is.
Wayne, you want ice cream?
I'll have it later. I'm going to shut down for now so that we can do the plunder and burning in private. Well, we got to do the presents. That's the plunder and burning.